You know, say like cherry aid or something, because Coke has like a Coke thing, doesn't it? Coke.
Yeah,
This
it's
lid
burned
pops
off.
off now, it's going to hit you right in the face.
It won't pop off.
Loosen it so it fires off.
Should I?
Yeah.
I make Chris now film, because I'm sick and tired of Chris not doing anything.
Because it'll...
What do you mean, not done anything?
I was sitting on your chair.
No, this is too hard.
Oh, filming everything.
Do you reckon I could stomp on it now and see what happens? No, because it'll make a proper loud noise, won't it?
Yeah.
What time is it?
But it won't if it fires the lid off, will it?
Right.
Oh, 11, not 1. I mean, oh.
What the hell was that?
Film it. Did you look at that on video?
Yeah, by accident.
Look at that bad man. That. Fucking.
Vagina.
Oh, that fire. All over this. Right. I think we've had enough for today.